Don't make the same mistake with it if you're heading to Warner Brothers, the Making of Harry Potter Studios tour, Tokyo in Japan. We booked our entry time for 2 p.m. as the website says 3 to 4 hours is enough, and we thought if they said 3 to 4 hours, then maybe 5 to 6 hours would be enough. But if you're like me and you like to take your time to explore every nook and cranny of an exhibit and also try as much food as a human possibly can, trust me when I say it is not enough. Make sure to book your first tour in the morning at 9 a.m. and let me explain why by showing you the ridiculous amount of things you can do there.
Ridiculous!
This class is ridiculous.
Very good.
When you first enter the building, there is the food hall restaurant which sells a variety of Potter-themed savory foods, some desserts and drinks, while the Frog Cafe besides it sells a potpourri of desserts for you to try. After that, exploring the exhibits takes about 3 to 6 hours depending on how fast you want to go through the exhibit. In the middle of the self-walking tour, there is the Backlot Cafe where you can savor more Harry Potter-themed food and drinks, and also a butterbeer bar where you can sip on a mug of creamy sweet butterbeer, which in my opinion is a must try, and you can also wash and take the cup home as a souvenir. They even give you a little baggie for it. During the exhibit, there are 4 movie magic experiences to enjoy at no extra cost. The first one is where you can take a photo of yourself and it will turn into a living portrait just like the movies. The second one is a video of yourself coming out of the Flu Network fireplace in the Ministry of Magic. The third one is where you can pretend to be part of the audience at Harry's first Quidditch match. Look at my top-notch acting skills. And the last one is where you can film yourself flying on a broomstick, which we didn't get to experience because they were about to close soon. Finally, the most important thing is to leave at least an hour or two to explore the souvenir shop because it is quite huge and there are some interesting displays there to see. Again, we didn't have enough time to see or buy anything, so make sure you